Tasted Product and Critique Guru, along with other independent test labs, spent hundreds of hours testing this year's 3D printers, and their results point to 6 machines that stand above everything else in 2026. One of them costs under $450, yet reviewers confirmed it gives you roughly 90% of the experience of a printer that costs almost double. Another one swaps colors in 10 to 12 seconds, while most machines waste 90 seconds in a pile of plastic every single change. Stay with me, because I'll also name one famous printer that everyone still recommends, but is genuinely a bad buy in 2026. Plus, a 60-second secret tip that stops most buyers from wasting hundreds of dollars. All product links are in the description below. Starting at number 6, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. And if you're brand new to 3D printing, this is where the confusion ends. Tasted Product calls it their favorite recommendation for first-timers. And Critique Guru gave it a full 5 stars. The reason is simple. This machine removes every single step that makes beginners quit. There's no manual bed leveling, no Z-offset tuning, no midnight searching. You take it out of the box, and in about 20 minutes, it calibrates itself completely and starts printing. It prints at up to 500 millimeters per second with active motor noise cancellation, keeping it at roughly 48 decibels, about the sound of a quiet library. That means it can run overnight in the next room and you won't hear a thing. Pair it with the AMS light unit and it prints in 4 colors automatically. And the built-in camera records time-lapse videos of every print you can share instantly. Now, the honest limits. The build volume is 180 millimeters cubed, so a standard water bottle is too tall, and it's open frame, which means PLA, PETG, and TPU are your materials. No ABS or ASA. Reviewers also praised the tool-free quick swap hot end. Changing a nozzle takes about 15 seconds instead of 15 minutes of wrenching. But here's the number that matters. The standalone unit lists at $249 and it regularly drops to around $199 to $219 during Bambu's frequent sales, with the full color combo near $399. 5 years ago, this level of reliability cost 4 times as much. For students, parents buying for teenagers, or anyone testing whether this hobby sticks, nothing else at this price comes close. At number 5, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo, and this is the one that made reviewers double-check the price tag. 4-color printing, a fully enclosed chamber, CoreXY motion, and a hardened steel nozzle that reaches 350 degrees Celsius for carbon fiber filaments, all for $449. Voxel Matters called it by far the most cost-effective enclosed desktop multicolor printer ever made. And Tom's Hardware confirmed it printed polycarbonate and PhD carbon fiber beautifully with 0 warping, even without active chamber heating. The Canvas multicolor system holds 4 spools with RFID recognition, and in Hackster's testing, it swapped filaments quickly and reliably. They even noted the motors feel stronger than Bambu's AMS. In MSN's extended testing, a large 4-color print with hundreds of filament swaps completed without a single error. Trade-offs? You'll spend about 15 minutes on assembly, third-party filament needs manual profile selection, and TPU requires a workaround part. It also caps at 4 materials with no expansion. But one tested comparison summed it up perfectly. This machine gives you roughly 90% of the Bambu P2S experience for around 55% of the money. It also runs fully offline over LAN or USB with no cloud account required, which privacy-focused buyers will appreciate. If your budget stops at $500 and you want enclosed, multicolor, engineering-capable printing, this is the value king of 2026, and it's not particularly close. Number 4 is the Snapmaker U1, the most funded 3D printer in Kickstarter history at over $20 million. And after independent testing, we know why. This is a true tool changer. 4 separate print heads, each with its own nozzle and filament path, while Bambu-style systems reel filament back and forth for around 90 seconds per color change and purge plastic every time. Tom's Hardware measured the U1 swapping colors in just 10 to 12 seconds with almost 0 waste. Their real-world result is stunning. A plate of 3-color figures with 90 color swaps finished 3 hours faster than on a comparable Bambu machine, producing only a tiny 4-gram prime tower instead of a pile of purged filament. And because each head heats independently, you can combine completely different materials in one print. PLA with PETG supports or even TPE do alongside ABS, something single nozzle systems genuinely struggle with. In one tested 3-color spider print, a Bambu setup added 2.5 hours of swap time, while the U1 added only 24 minutes. The build volume is a generous 270 millimeters cubed. It runs open-source Clipper firmware with Orca slicer support. And it's now, in general, retail around $899 to $999. At number 3, the Creality K2 Plus Combo, the size monster of this list. While the standard in this class is 256 millimeters, this machine has a massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters build volume. Do the math, and that's roughly 2.5 times the total build space of a Bambu X1 Carbon, enough for full cosplay helmets in one piece, no splitting, no gluing seams. Tom's Hardware tested it and called the results delightful, highlighting its actively heated chamber, a genuine rarity at this price, which keeps ABS and nylon flat and warp-free. It reaches 600 millimeters per second, uses closed-loop servo motors instead of basic steppers, carries dual AI cameras that watch for print failures, and the included CFS color system expands to 16 filaments across 4 modules. TechRadar's workshop testing concluded it's well-built, packed with features, and produces outstanding prints. The die-cast aluminum frame keeps it rigid at high speeds, and the toolbox even includes grease for rail maintenance. Nothing extra to buy for months. One thing to know, this machine rewards makers who've printed before. LayeredUp's analysis of over 560 buyer reviews shows experienced users rating it as a genuine production workhorse, while its software is slightly less polished than Bambu's. So complete first-timers should start smaller and grow into it. The combo lists around $1,499, though Creality's 2026 summer sale has pushed bundles well below that. If you need big, hot, and multicolor, nothing else at this price combines all three. Number 2 is the Bambu Lab H2D, and this is the machine for people whose hobby quietly became a business. 2 independent nozzles on one print head, a 350 by 320 by 325 millimeters build volume, a 65 degrees actively heated chamber, and 350 degrees nozzles for serious engineering filaments. Tom's Hardware named it a worthy successor to the X1 Carbon, and admitted the dual nozzles are hands down their favorite upgrade, because 2 nozzles means printing 2 materials with almost no purge waste. PLA with dissolvable supports, TPU combined with rigid plastic. 1 nozzle prints while the other waits, fully heated. Then there's the part no other printer on this list can touch. Optional 10W and 40W laser modules plus a drag knife cutting module and pen plotter. One machine that prints a product, laser engraves the branding, and cuts the vinyl packaging label. With a bird's eye camera aligning everything to 0.3 millimeters automatically, reviewers describe it as a direct shot at Cricut and Glowforge for professional crafters and Etsy sellers. 15 sensors track filament flow, tension, and pressure across the entire path, catching clogs before they ruin an overnight print. The price reflects the ambition. $1,899 for the base printer, $2,199 for the AMS combo, and up to $3,499 for the full 40W laser package. It weighs 31 kilograms and has a real learning curve. If you only print decorative PLA, this is overkill. But if you sell what you make, the H2D replaces 3 separate machines and pays for itself in workflow alone. And number 1, the best 3D printer of 2026 for most people, the Bambu Lab P2S Combo. Here's why every major reviewer landed in the same place. Tom's Hardware says it maintains exceptional speed, quality, and ease of use, calling it an excellent first printer for a newbie or the 10th printer for a print farm. Hexter named it their new go-to mid-range recommendation. This is the successor to the best-selling P1S, and testing shows real print times land about 8% of the former flagship X1 Carbon at a fraction of the cost. You get a fully enclosed CoreXY body, 600 millimeters per second top speed, a new servo-driven extruder with roughly 70% more extrusion force, a proper 5-in touchscreen, AI failure detection, and clever adaptive airflow that pulls in cool outside air for perfect PLA even with the door closed, then switches to internal circulation for ABS and ASA. The combo includes the AMS2 Pro 4-color system, which also actively dries your filament. Moisture ruins more prints than any other single factor. This quietly solves it. The combo is $799, and some authorized US retailers have listed it as low as $699 in July 2026. Enclosed, 4 colors, filament drying, near flagship quality, and Bambu's famously smooth software. No other machine at any price balances cost, capability, and day-one reliability like this one in 2026. That's why it's number 1. So here's your 30-second decision map. Under $250 and just starting, A1 Mini. Best value under $500. Centauri Carbon 2 Combo. Heavy multicolor printing, Snapmaker U1. Huge prints with engineering materials, K2 Plus Combo. Running a real business, H2D. And for most people watching this video, the P2S Combo is the smartest money in 3D printing right now. All links with current prices are in the description. Prices move fast in 2026, so check them today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.